Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter from Absolute Wealth. Let's look at the spiders. So we've had the big bounce. You can see here we've got a pretty decent downtrend line. I'm not looking that we could actually get all the way back up here. I do think we could get one little push higher here, and then we actually start buying some puts on the spiders. And looking at that. So that's essentially what I'm looking for here. You can see on the squeeze, the momentum here is heading up here, but looking for this to roll over as well. Little bit of the very light volume here. So overall, this portends to higher prices, but I do think we're on the cusp of one last push up and we roll over and die. So just be careful. Don't start getting excited and chasing stocks, thinking you're gonna miss the next great move or anything like that. Apple has had a huge move back, but you can see that from the high right here to the low right here, we've got a 50% retracement right there, okay? And that would take us back to about $607. So it's got about another 20 points upside. That would be a normal retracement. I wouldn't, don't get excited thinking Apple's gonna go to all-time highs again. I don't think it is. One interesting stock here is Facebook. This is one that I actually think has the potential to roll over and die into the end of the year with tax loss selling. And the reason I say that is because a lot of people are still stuck with it at $40. And if we just trade sideways here into December, they're going to be tempted to dump it for tax loss selling, and that could drive it to new lows. Now that's at this point, I'm kind of waiting. I think the safer trade is it's not actually to short it, hoping it falls. It's waiting until the end of the year, and if it's at new lows, it's a buy and a half because it clears out all the inventory from whence it came, so to speak. What else here? For gold, I've been watching gold here, and you can see we've had this nice move. It looks very much similar to stocks here, and in fact, gold and stocks have been correlated here. And so at this point, again, I wouldn't be chasing gold. I am looking for that to roll over. Okay, so just be a little careful here. I mean, we've had a nice move, a nice rally. Don't get too excited and, start freaking out and buying stuff here because I am looking for this to roll over and die a slow, painful death. Okay, hope that helps. You guys have a good night, and we'll see you at the next update.